This is David Olshan of Nevada Legal Services. This is another in our series of substantive law videos. This one is regarding name and gender marker changes. I'm going to go over general types of identification and ways you can change them. The specifics, however, will be reviewed and explained in subsequent videos. So we're talking about driver's licenses, passport, Social Security card, and birth certificate. These are some of the main identification documents that we have here in the United States and in Nevada. Keep in mind, Nevada is a transgender-friendly state. You can do self-attestation over at the DMV to change the gender marker on your driver's license. You can go to non-binary. Vital records, all you need is third-party attestation. That could be a friend. You can also go to a non-binary birth certificate. Name changes in Nevada, when you go to court, publication is not necessary if it's based on gender transition. So we do have some favorable regulations and laws here in the state of Nevada. The government, the U.S. government, currently is hostile to transgender. You need a doctor's note indicating there's something wrong with you for a passport change. There's no protection in schools for transgender students. Social Security is largely neutral. The Real ID Act, which was passed during the Bush administration, that's neither hostile nor friendly. There are just certain stringent requirements so we can determine that the person is the person who is presenting the identification. In Nevada, to change the name on a driver's license, you should first go through Social Security. DMV will check with Social Security to make sure the names match, and if they don't match, you're not going to get a name change on a driver's license. So if you want to change the name on your driver's license, go to Social Security first. Social Security does require a name change order, and like I said, we will be going over that process in subsequent videos, but you will need a name change if you want to change your Social Security card and your driver's license. The Real ID Act, which we will go over in a later slide, requires the names to match on your birth certificate and your Social Security card, so keep that in mind. But if you just want to change your gender, you can simply go today, or you can't because of the COVID-19 moratorium, but you can just go online, or when DMV is open, go and change the gender marker simply by paying the fee. You can get non-binary, and this is a temporary fix if you are transitioning. You want to do this quickly, you can go and do that. You will have to pay twice, though. If you do change your name later, you'll have to go and go to DMV a second time. But currently, you can go and change your gender. Anyone in the state of Nevada can go and change their gender on their driver's license. The birth certificate process is a little bit more complicated. There's two documents. There's an affidavit of correction, and you get this at the Nevada Department of Vital Records. They have a form available. Do not get a third party. They will charge you. This process is free. You will have to pay $40, however, to change your birth certificate. But if you want to change the gender on your birth certificate, you need an affidavit of correction, and you need a supplemental affidavit. That's anyone who knows you and can verify your gender identity. You can go have them sign it. It needs to be notarized, but you can submit these documents and change the gender on a birth certificate. If you want to change your name on your Nevada birth certificate, you will need a court order. The Real ID Act was passed in the Bush administration over 15 years ago. It basically requires states to verify the identity of their citizens. So you will need to produce a birth certificate and passport, and then you will need proof of your Social Security number. This could be a card or a tax form, and you will need proof of your Nevada address. This could include utility bills like your electric bill, your lease, your mortgage, tax forms, anything that has your address on it can prove your Nevada address. If you supply these three forms of identification, you will get a Real ID Act and next year it's going to be required. So if you don't have it now, you will have to have it in the future. So it's probably better to go through this rigorous process now. We are Nevada Legal Services. In Southern Nevada, dial 866-432-0404. In Reno or Northern Nevada, 800-323-8666. We provide free legal assistance. We can help your name change, get your name change order in court. We can help you with any of these identification issues. Please call us, and there will be subsequent videos, like I said, regarding the court process for a name change. So stay tuned to our YouTube channel for more information.